Alright, so I have this powered up now. The Pi is running, connected to the dark water device there, if I can get the focus to come on, and connected here. So I'm just going to do a simple test of just running one of the motors. So these are numbered from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the motors there. So the orange white wire here comes to this motor here, which is the main arm, the big arm. So let me just show you a little bit about the code here. Of course, I'll have all the code available. If I just show you this, it's very simple. It's going to come in here and utilize the dark water 640 libraries, initialize the controller, get the first controller, motor 1, make sure it's turned off. Then it's going to wait for a second, let us know that it's going to go up for a positive 100, whichever direction that ends up being. This speed can be anywhere between 1 and 255, or actually negative 255 to plus 255. So here I'm going to go up for a little bit, and then the opposite direction for, I guess it's 200 here. So just goes up and back down. When I tested this, it turns out one speed just goes a little bit further because of gravity. You'll see what I mean in just a second. So if I run this script, you'll see when I'm running it, initialize motor, the second, then motor. Let me show you what the device is doing. I'll run it again. You can see the machine here. So I'm running again, and so it goes one direction, it goes back the other direction. So that's just running this particular motor at a speed for 1 second. So the output is for at a speed of 200, but that's variable between minus 256 or 255 and plus 255. So that's how this controller works, and it's just using that Python script. So the next thing is to then, after you test all the 6 motors, so you can just use this and modify the motor numbers and go through and make sure all your motors are working. The next thing is to try to get your PS3 controller working, and I'll send a link on kind of how to set that up, and you have to plug your PS3 controller into the Pi device in order to sync up and allow this controller to trust the Pi device. There's something called 6-pair that allows you to do that. Once that's connected, then this allows you to set it up and sync, and you'll see it comes up and well, I don't have the service running. We'll allow it to sync up with Pi 0 and use the PS3 for controlling. So I'm going to kind of put this back together so you can see it running with the PS3 controller, and then I'll explain a little bit about the code that makes that work.